Just one more time.
Welcome to 5 Kids Toy Reviews.
Hi guys. What do we get to do? Hi Lauren. Hi Elise. What do we get to do today? That's right. So we've made our ball pit in the bathtub. Are you guys ready to dive in and see what kind of surprises we have? Okay, let's see what our first, what color is that? Is it blue? What did you get? Whoa.
Shopkins Wild Style.
Shopkins Wild Style. All right, let's put it to the side. What is that? That is the turning the cart. And what's the name? Let's see. This is Strong One. So cool. All right. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay, what's this one here? These are the new Untamed Ferocious Fingerling Raptors, right? This is like,
We got the egg.
it's the Velociraptor. And what is his name? His name is Razor. Very, very cool. We're gonna get to open that up after,
I
right?
have another purple egg.
Purple egg. Let's see what's in the purple egg. Lauren, you can still, oh, you're looking for the green egg. What's in there?
It's an egg.
An LOL little sister. She wants to open it up already.
I have a potty.
It's a potty. That's flush for. So you guys can flush out the stuff that's in there. Cool. Guys, see what else is in there. There's lots more stuff. What color is that egg?
Orange.
Orange. And what is that? What you've been wanting for a while.
It's a giant LOL surprise.
It's the LOL confetti surprise, right? Oh, our eggs are falling out. A pink egg. What's in there?
Kinder
Kinder surprise.
I
Okay. Lauren, it's a Kinder surprise. That's actually pretty cool. Whoa, what's that? Let's see, it's a brick head. So
That's
this one,
Chickaboo.
it's not Chickaboo. That is so not Chickaboo. This is Chewbacca. Hi Chewbacca. We're gonna put this together too, right?
Chickaboo.
Lauren, is the chocolate good? I want to see if there's anything else in there because there's lots of balls and I have a feeling you guys might have missed something. Lauren, keep looking.
I'm gonna find it.
Let's see. And what else did you find? This is like the biggest treasure we've ever had.
Here's my note. What am I gonna get? Ooh.
What does it say? Let's see.
I got Boss Queen.
Is this the one that you wanted?
Yes,
Queen of
I
the
know,
castle. Here.
My only
Let's
I
see.
don't know what I'm gonna get, but I definitely. It's a golden ball!
Let's see. Show the golden ball. Oh, that's awesome. Our little sister's little vacay baby, right?
No.
Very cute, isn't it?
It's fun. It's little vacation baby.
Little vacation baby.
I'm gonna pop this
All
guy.
right, go ahead, pop it. Here's Boss Baby.
grandma.
Let me see her face. Very cute. Love the glittery hair. All right. So do you want to put her in her outfit? And we are opening up
Mommy, we already got her.
Razor.
Mommy, look, got
Lauren, what kind of sound does a dinosaur make?
Rawr.
Rawr, that's right.
It's open.
All right, so we're gonna open him. Okay, Boss Queen with vacation
Oh my
baby's
god, I
hat.
got glitter all over the basket.
Can I see Boss Baby for a second? Very cool. Now, is she a rare or an ultra rare?
Ultra rare.
An ultra rare. We're gonna take a
Evelyn
look.
got her.
Let's see. Very, very cute. Love it. Okay, so let's open up Razor. Ready? Open it. I'm going to tell you what it does. It says, I chomp and growl. I react to your touch. I'm alive, moving my head and eyes. And again, this is Razor. Razor's my name, and I like my food sliced. Okay, can you take him out? Do you know how?
That's just her dress.
Do you know how to take him out? Let's see. Alright, we have to figure out what we need to do with him. So right now we've taken Razor out. Let's see him. And he's untamed. So to tame him, you're gonna poke its face on top of its nose 3 times. That's it, okay? Now hang it upside down by the tail.
Oopsie, sorry.
Let's see. And now you're gonna shake him the other way. Turn him upside down again. Turn him the other way around. No, this way, upside down, so his head is at the top. There you go, now shake him. I think he's tamed. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay, now you're gonna stroke its head, starting at the nose and ending at the back of its head. So start at the nose, you can do it together. Is he purring? Is he purring? There you go, you've tamed him. Now, stroke him the other way, from the back of the head to the front. Let's see what happens. Can I see him a little closer? Oh, cool. So we have one of the other fingerlings.
He's tired.
Is he tired? He wants to sleep? For fun, I might even sing you a song. Keep doing it. Do it again. Clap once. All right, that's right. Let's see. Pop it out. Uh-oh. He's kind of writhing around. Does he sit?
Whoa, guys.
Let's see. Can we do his tail? Oh, there we go.
Here.
We're going to make him sit there. Lauren, what do you think of Razor?
There's confetti surprises.
We've got all kinds of different toys here. There we
There's
go.
confetti surprises.
Oh, wow. That's a lot of
there's
confetti.
something that
This is
fell.
what actually popped out. Okay, so this we've never opened up before.
It's so funny. Farting. Just a random thing. Where you going there?
I really like him. And we're going to do the brick heads in another video. Actually, this was my pick
It's a little fishy.
because I love Chewbacca.
I didn't
See? Oh my goodness. Let's see. What is he? It's a fishy. Oh, it's perfect for the bathtub. All right, and we'll finish off with that. And then the May card will hold on to for the next video because this is really cool. Oh, that's so cute.
It looks like a butt.
That is very cute. Thank you. This is Shopkin Flawless style, and I think there's 2 in there, right?
Yep.
And I think our raptor really, really likes this.
It's a high.
And he doesn't like it. No, he doesn't. What is that? Too close. It's a high heel.
It's rainbow.
It's a rainbow high heel. I thought it was a
Sorry.
unicorn.
Nice.
So now that we've made a huge mess here, and we've uncovered all these lovely things, we'll have these for our next video.
I'm gonna open this.
No, we're not opening that today. We're gonna finish off. I think you guys need to do a bit of exploring in your lovely bathtub, because this is gonna be your bath for tonight. No, I'm just kidding. Lauren, swim in the bathtub. Let's see. I wanna see if you can hide all the way in there so that I can't find you. You're almost all the way in. Yay! Lauren, where did Elise go? Oh my goodness! Where is she? Alright guys,
I'm gonna start playing.
let's say goodbye because now it's bath time. We've gotta go.